दक्षिण गोंयांत जायत्या वाठारांनी बेवारस गाडयो आसात। ह्यो गाडयो काडटले म्हणून रस्तो सुरक्षा समितीचे बसकेत निर्णय घेतिल्लो, मात अजून मेरेन कांयच हालचाली जाल्ल्यो दिश्टी पडनात। ह्या बेवारस गाडयां खातीर वाठारांत पार्किंगेची समस्या उप्रासता, तशेंच अपघात लेगीत घडपाक शकतात। संबंधीत अधिकाऱ्यांनी हाचेर बेगोबेग कारवाय करची अशी मागणी गोवा कॅनाचे निमंत्रक लॉर्ना फेर्नांडीस हांणी केल्या।
As everyone knows, there are lots of abandoned vehicles lying all around in South Goa. This issue has been raised over and over again in road safety, South Goa district road safety meetings. Then there was a notification that said that the collector, along with the police, we will make a list, prepare a list by consulting with all the municipal councils and the village panchayats, and then they would prepare a report and then remove these abandoned vehicles. But we see that more and more abandoned vehicles are coming onto the road. So we have not got a straight answer, as to what exactly is happening with the abandoned vehicles.